If you're an Etsy store based in Europe, you should probably sign up for Teleport because you could probably double or triple your sales in like a week. So Teleport is a print-on-demand service. You are able to access our giant print farm and we will print and ship orders for you. It plugs right into your Etsy store so that as soon as you get an order, we can print it and ship it directly to your customer. The thing about this is our factories are all based in the United States right now. So that means that you get distribution inside the United States without having to pay international shipping costs or have your customers wait for international shipping. This is a really huge power unlock for European Etsy stores because you've been able to sell around Europe fine, but then any US customer who would find your store is restricted to waiting for the package to cross an ocean and having to pay for that package to cross the ocean. It could cost like 20 bucks for it to ship internationally, but if you ran it through Teleport, it would cost like $5. So the way you can do this is a huge capability that allows you to not only speed up your service for your customers so they like you more, give you more 5-star reviews so that you sell more stuff, but also just gives you more access to customers. Because even though Americans are fat and lazy and we have terrible taste, we do like European stuff. So if you show it to us, we will buy a bunch of it. But Teleport lets you actually show it to an American audience where you can then sell directly to us, and that customer can get the order in a few days rather than a couple of weeks and not have to pay any more for it. Or if you do want to charge more, I guess you technically can. Americans are a little bit less price conscious than some Europeans, so it's a great unlock for you. The way you get it done is you can sign up for Teleport connected into your Etsy store. You will have European listings, which are focused on the European markets and will then only present to the European markets. And then you can have other items that are focused towards US customers, where you have shipping only within the US so that product only appears within the US. Those items, those listings, you match up inside of Teleport so that when somebody buys one of them, someone in the US buys that product, it automatically comes to Teleport and we print and ship it directly to your customer for you. This lets you break out of the European market and sell inside of the US one so that you have way more revenue than you otherwise would have, but you don't have to deal with international shipping problems, you don't have to deal with the cost, and your customers don't have to deal with the cost or the time. So if you are an international or a European Etsy store or an Etsy store outside of the US in general, you probably should look at Teleport because it'll save you a ton of cost, speed up your customer experience, and allow you to just access a market that has a lot of money and buys a lot of stuff. So we're really excited that this enables that because Teleport was always created to allow a kid in a dorm room to create something that somebody else would buy in the world. And this is really possible because some kid in Europe can design an awesome product and sell it to someone in New York and never have to build a factory, never have to know how international shipping works. They just get to go. So reach out if you need any help getting set up, or just go ahead and go over to slantpod.com and check out Teleport to see if you can grow your 3D printing Etsy store even more.